Subject CA entrance exam, the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India. Paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. MCQ question, problem number 9. So, if A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, C is to D equal to 6 is to 7, ದಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ದೆನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ 35 is to 16, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 16 is to 35, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 2 is to 7, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 is to 3. ಓಕೆ. Next, B is to C means B by C equal to 4 is to 5 is 4 by 5. And C is to D, so that is C by D equal to 6 is to 7 is 6 by 7. Then find out the A is to D is how much anta. So multiply all these three, A by B into B by C into C by D. So that is equal to A by B is 2 by 3, B by C is 4 by 5, C by D is 6 by 7. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 fours are 8, 8 twos are 16, 5 sevens are 35. So B cancel, C cancel. So this is A by D. So A is to D equal to 16 is to 35. So option B is the correct answer. 16 is to 35 is the answer. Okay. Thank you so much.